Okay, today I will teach you how to find absolute extrema on a closed interval. And one way you can do this is by taking the first derivative of the function and testing it on those intervals. And due to the closed interval method, there are 3 steps that you have to know before you test it. And you need to find the values of f at the critical numbers of f. In A and B, show you the interval. And 2, you have to find the values of f at the endpoints of the interval. The last step is the largest value that you get will be your absolute maximum. And the smallest value that you get will be your absolute minimum. So let's say we have a function f of x equals 3x squared minus 4x cubed on the interval -1 to 2. The first step that we want to do is take the derivative of the function, which equals 6x minus 12x squared. And you can factor 6x out, which will give you 1 minus 2x. What you want to do is see where this function equals 0. So say if 6x equals 0, x will be 0, and if 1 minus 2x equals 0, then x would equal 1/2. So you want to find these critical numbers, plug them into the original function. Let's start with f of 1/2, which will eventually give you, when you plug it into the original function, it'll be 1/4, and f of 0 will just give you 0. And you also want to test them at the endpoints. F of -1 is first endpoint, and that will get you 3 plus 4, which equals 7. Oops, that's 4%. And f of 2, if you plug that in, it'll give you 12 minus 32, which equals -20. Therefore, your absolute maximum would be when x equals -1 and the function equals 7, and the absolute minimum would be when x equals 2, which is the function equal -20.